check. Everybody give it up for Coley. Woo! And those boys got some badass shirts and some good merchandise over there.
Buy all the merch.
All of it. Every bit of it.
All of it. Spend all your money.
Are you ready?
Wait. We have Miss Dave. We have Miss Daver over here.
It's a good thing there's not a mirror in front of her. We'd be staring at those boobs all
That's
night.
not. She didn't smear her lipstick. She's. Those are some sores.
Well, a little bit
Don't
on my
worry,
crotch.
they'll be gone within a couple of weeks. Nothing to sweat.
Are all you homos ready? I'm Vicious Kitten. I want to see the gayest pit ever for this fucking band.
Yeah. We support gay pits.
Extremely gay pits. And since hardly anybody dressed up in drag, if you don't dress in drag, you're a fag. So all you fags get in the pit for